How to download all leads in your Meta Business Suite. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To begin with, make sure that you are transferred into your Meta Business Suite. Now once you are in your Meta Business Suite, you have to go ahead and select the option of all tools, which will be in your left hand side. From all of these options, scroll down until you see Instant Forms and tap on it. So if you have any forms, it will be displayed right here. You can filter it easily by selecting the filter option and selecting the status, date created, or the form ID, then tap on apply. To download your leads, at the bottom of the lead section, you will see a download option. Just go ahead and select on the download button in order to download your leads. Within a minute, you'll be able to download the necessary lead. You can also download multiple leads by tapping on multiple box, then tapping on the download icon. If you have not created any of the form, you can tap on create form, then select new form and tap next. From here, you can do necessary edits and create your brand new form, and you can even download the leads through this section. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.